Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we're learning how to deactivate or delete our Instagram account right here and now. So go ahead to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you're looking for the perfect video, this is it. So go ahead to open your Instagram application right here on your device, and the next thing to do is to go ahead to tap at the bottom right corner here. Yeah, I'm going to be clicking on this. Then it locates the account you actually want to deactivate or delete, and go ahead to click on these three slashes at the top right corner to scroll and locate account center. So you can see account center at the top. So we'll click on account center. And the next thing to do here is to click on manage accounts. So you can see it's down here, manage accounts. So I'll click on manage accounts. So go ahead to tap on the account you want to deactivate or delete. Since I'm trying to deactivate my Instagram account, I'll go ahead to click on manage. Then here you can see this, move out of this account center, deactivate or deletion and memorialization. So I'll go ahead to click on deactivation and delete account. So this is what you have to do. So you can go ahead to click on either of the two options. Now this is the difference. If you are deactivating your account, it is temporary and it will be hidden from Instagram and you will be able to get your account back. But once you go ahead to click on delete your account, it is permanent, and once everything will be wiped off from Instagram database. So I always prefer deactivate account in case you need your account back. So go ahead to click on continue. Then they've showed you everything. Your Instagram account will be deactivated. So this is it, this is it, this is it. So what you have to do is to click on continue. So they're going to ask you for your password, and this is the last stage for you to get your account deactivated. So go ahead to click your password or click on continue, and you will deactivate. So let me just go ahead to do this. Clicking on my password and I click on continue, and Instagram will officially ask you a question. Why do you want to deactivate your Instagram account? So you can just go ahead. So for example, I'm too busy on Instagram. I just click on too busy and click on continue. Then too busy, then I'll just click on continue. Then set confirm temporary activation and account deactivation. So this is basically the last stage. All what you have to do here is to just click on deactivate account, and Instagram will deactivate this account. Then you can always come back to reactivate your Instagram account. But I'm not deactivating mine right now. If you get to this stage and you found this video very helpful, go ahead to like and subscribe and drop a comment on the problem you might be facing in deactivating your account. Thank you.